Welcome back to Cppm vlogs. Oh my god, it's raining in Dubai.
Holy shish kebab.
So big. It's so much. Wow. After so long. Oh my god. It's so cold. Woohoo. Oh my god. It's raining. Hey, Bhaiya, move. Wow. Look, we were planning to go to a park today, but then we were planning to go to the park, but we thought that if the weather is good, then only we will go. But बारिश देखो यहाँ की इतना अच्छा. It's so beautiful and इतना speed. Look at just look at the speed. हाँ, कोर्ची. My God. Woo, it's raining. My God, I never expected that it would rain so much today. Like literally, it's raining too much. Wow. Mother will not. Mother will say, hey, tu bishri mein ki korchish?
Thanda.
Look at the rain outside. It's raining. Oh, too much speed. Wow. Good the speed. It's all blurry. Look at the speed. Whoa. So cold. Mama's gonna kill me. Wow. That's beautiful. I'm gonna show you. Wait.